Hello class 9th, how are you all? We are doing indices. So today we have to start exercise 7C. तो 7C में आज आप लोगों के साथ स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ और कोशिश करूँगा कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करा दूँ. उसके बाद आप लोग मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर अपने डाउट्स भेजिएगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट 7C इंडिसेस. तो इन क्वेश्चंस को करने के बाद आपके जो भी डाउट्स हो वो मेरे साथ डिस्कस करिएगा और अपने डाउट्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे भेजिएगा ताकि मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में उन डाउट्स के साथ इस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट कर सकूं. ओके, सो सी 7C क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सेज 9 to the power 5 by 2 minus 3 into 8 to the power 0 minus 1 upon 81 to the power minus 1 upon 2. We have to just simplify it and finding the value. So 9 can be written as 3 की power 2. Okay, to the power 5 by 2 minus 3 into any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So this is 3 into 1 minus 81 can be written as 1 upon 9 का whole square. To the whole power minus 1 upon 2 means into minus 1 upon 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled with this 2. So 3 to the power 5 is 3 into 3 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 into 3 243 minus 3 minus again this 1 upon 9 to the power minus 1. Since the power is negative, to make it positive I have to reciprocal the base, so it will become 9 only, minus 3 and 243. So 243 minus 3 is 240 minus 9, this is 231. So just you have to simplify the values, keeping one thing in your mind that if the power is negative like here, to make the power positive you have to reciprocal the base. Okay, this is very important step. Now I am solving question number 3. I am leaving one question gap so that you can also try the rest of the question. Question number 3 says 3 to the power x minus 1 multiply with 5 to the power 2y minus 3 is equals to 225. Now in this question you have to solve. Solve means you have to find the value of x as well as the value of y. So now girls, 3 to the power x minus 1 multiply with 5 to the power 2y minus 3, 225. Now see, the sum of the digits here, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, and 9 is divisible by 3, hence this number will definitely be divisible by 3. So 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 and then 5. So 225 can be written as 3 की power 2 into 5 की power 2. Okay, now what you can do is you can compare the powers on the left hand side and on the right hand side, keeping in mind that the base should be same. So the base 3 is here and on the left side also. Since the base is same, so I can say that the power will also same. So the value of x comes out to be 3. Similarly, if I compare these two bases, so the power will also be equal. Similarly, 2y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 5 by 2. So this is how you can solve this kind of questions. Okay. Girls, इन questions को आप एक बार रीडू जरूर करना. रीडू से मतलब है इन क्वेश्चंस को शुरू से एंड तक खुद जरूर करना. सिर्फ कॉपी करने से आप लोगों को नहीं आएगा. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज 3 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 9 to the power x minus 3. Find the value of 2 to the power 1 plus x. हमें इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. So 3 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2 multiply with x minus 3. Again the base is same, so the power will also same. X plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 6, so x is equals to 7. Now just put the value of x here, so it will become 2 to the power 1 plus 7, that is 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 can be simplified as you know that 2 की power 6 is 64, multiply with 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2 sorry 4, 4 4s are 16, it is 256. Or you can directly calculate 2 into 2 into 2 up to 8 times. ओके गर्ल्स, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now I will take question number 7. I will take question number 7. This is 9 to the power n multiply with 3 to the power 2 multiply with 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power n into 2 whole power 3 is equals to 3 to the power minus 3. We have to prove that m minus n is equals to 1. We have to prove that m minus n is equals to 1. Okay, आइए देखते हैं. So 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. The power is also n, so it will become 3 to the power 2n multiply by 3 to the power 2, or you can write it as simple 9 into 3 to the power n minus 27 is nothing but 3 to the power 3. Now this 3 to the power n will become 3 to the power 3n because 3 gets multiplied with this n, and 2 to the power 3 is equals to 3 to the power minus 3. Now you can see that here we are multiplying 3 to the power 2n with 3 to the power n, and when we multiply the power gets added, so it becomes 3 to the power 3n multiply by 9 minus 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3n into 8 is equals to 3 to the power minus 3. In the numerator you can see that we can take 3 to the power 3n common. So if I take 3 to the power 3n common, in the bracket I will be left with 9 minus 1, that is 8 upon 3 to the power 3m into 8. This 8 will be cancelled with this 8, and when we divide, you know that the powers get subtracted. So since the base is equal, again the powers will be equal. So we can say that 3n minus 3n is equals to minus 3. If I take 3 common, n minus m is equals to minus 3. So n minus m is equals to minus 1. This is what we have to prove here. Okay, if you shift these m and n and 1 to the left or right side, you will get this value. Okay guys? So one more time I am telling you, I am reminding you rather that now you have to solve 7C, and the WhatsApp group which we have made, just ask your doubts, and in the next class I will clear your doubt session. Okay, so if you send your doubts to me, in the next class I will take only those doubts. Okay girls, now I take few more questions to illustrate this exercise well. Now I'll take question number 9. I think one girl today in the class, she was asking question number 9. So I am explaining this question. Question number 9 says 3 to the power 4x is equals to 81 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power 1 upon y is equals to 0.0001. Find the value of 2 to the power minus x into 16 to the power y. So we have to find the value of this. Now 3 to the power 4x is equals to 3 to the power 4 into minus 1. So since the base is same, power will be same. X is equals to minus 1. Again here, 10 to the power 1 upon y is equals to 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the power 4. So 10 to the power 1 upon y is equals to 10 to the power minus 4. Again the base is same, power will also be same. 1 upon y equals to minus 4. So 1 is equals to minus 4y, or y is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Hence I have already got the value of x as well as the value of y. Now what I have to do is, I just put these values here. So 2 to the power minus x will become 2 to the power plus 1 multiply with 16 to the power y, that is 16 to the power minus 1 upon 4. Okay, so 2 into 2 to the power 4 into minus 1 upon 4, 2 into 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 2, very important step. So 2 will be cancelled with this 2, hence the answer is 1. So now guys, you have to solve exercise 7C. Tell me your doubts through the WhatsApp group. I will take your doubts in the next class. So for this class, I have solved till 9 questions. There are 16 questions in total. Okay guys, thank you for today. We'll meet in the next class tomorrow.